Today, we're going to we're going to draw. What are we going to draw again?
Baby Sanrio's characters.
Yes, that's a great idea. So, we're going to be...
Let's find phone first.
Okay, I never realized this. Okay, it's actually... Okay.
Just find another pencil.
Okay, I'll find another pencil. I'll be right back, okay? See ya. Okay, I got the
Okay, so this what are we gonna draw?
Okay.
Okay, so this is this complete characters? Wala si ano.
Si girl.
Yeah, and we will put in ano.
Wait, Carol is there.
So, we're gonna draw it now. So, please wait.
We're just going to wrap it.
Yeah, and we will cut it first. Bye! Hi guys! We're back! And this is what our Sanrio's drawing. They're so cute. Hey, you're copying. Who's the more better? Comment!
But we didn't open the comment section.
Yeah, but we
You can comment in the other videos if
yeah,
we
look.
open.
It's just
Okay,
so
now,
we do our best for you guys.
yes, we do
Copy.
our best for you. But
And we made it cutest.
yeah. After that is.
What?
Did you remember we just gave out the iPhones and you just posted from... Okay, guys, that was a joke.
Yeah, because
we can't.
it's just
We're not Mr. Pete, guys. We're not Mr. Pete. You know Mr. Pete. Okay.
You know what Mr. Beast gives to her follower. Okay, so next is where is it? Okay, so we drew this right.
And guys, please subscribe to Ate Denise and Dad.
My name was Jasper97, but
And
I will
please,
just edit it from here.
okay, so you better subscribe because Ate Denise is
Okay.
the lower subscriber.
Yeah, and I just have 7 subscribers.
7 subscribers now.
Yeah, because my classmates subscribing me, but not my old classmate. Look, guys, we will draw here. We will draw here this. We will draw this and no. What's that? We will draw this color black and this.
It's called Mads, Mario, and Kuropi.
Yeah, Mads, Mario, and Kuropi.
I just forgot for a second.
Yeah, so
where's my...
we will draw.
Wait, where's my cookie box?
Okay, so now we will draw Mads-Maru and Kuropi.
Mads, Mario, and Bads.
Mads-Maru and Kuropi. Wait for a minute, guys.
And this is Ate Denise's favorite Sanrio characters is my Melody and mine.
Cinnamoroll. My favorite Sanrio's character was my Melody and Kuromi and you.
Yes. So, guys,
You don't have a two favorite in Sanrio? Okay, just only Kuromi. I mean. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe me and
me.
Pretty girl _ 298. and me is was, wait, let me search it, guys. Where is the YouTube? Ay. Just wait for a minute. Talk.
Okay.
There.
Okay, guys. So you have to wait for Ate Denise to load on her, and also you make sure to subscribe to her and me because we're almost to 2K, guys.
Yeah, and if we have a 2K, why did you cover my mouth? Oh, I remember. Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Wait, where is the ano? Where do you see you subscribe?
What?
Where did you see you subscribe? Yung mga subscribe mo. So
Okay.
wait, guys. So yeah, so this is her account. So please subscribe her.
They already know.
How about the ano? The iba that not subscribing.
So,
There's
so
I
what's her
forgot my
name?
user.
I think it's just at the odds. There's score.
How about in your YouTube subscribers? Did you subscribe me, right?
Yes. I think I know what it is. I think it's
Sorry guys,
just-
it's too long.
Yeah. Just talk to them so they won't get bored. Just talk them
Okay, so-
to make them funny.
Okay, so guys, send to comment section if you want to draw. If ask some question, what are we gonna draw? But not hard because we just do our best. Where's yours?
I don't
We
know.
we just do our best to draw the Sanrio's character. So please subscribe us because this is our first time to draw our Sanrio's characters, and the last this is our favorite characters and favorite to do Sanrio's drawing. That's why we cannot post because we want just to draw Sanrio's characters, and that's all.
I can't
Because-
see your channel right now at Denise.
Wait. How about in your subscribers? Where did you see your subscribers? Okay, so please.
What's the name of your channel?
I don't know nga. So please just subscribe because we just do our best to we cannot just comment what are we gonna draw, but we can just draw animes and reels, but we can do excuse me, we can just draw anime that's not hard. So this
And
is our
guys,
doing.
do some dares for us.
Yeah, we're gonna play
No,
Truth
no.
or Dares to part 2.
Wait,
Because
wait.
in
It's
what,
our first one.
what first?
We're going to upload another one, and then we're going to upload
Tomorrow?
the part 2.
Oh,
The part
tomorrow is the part 2. Tomorrow is the part
Okay.
2. Because in August 29 it's our first day of school.
Huh?
So we're already excited. Are you excited?
Guys,
And-
did you see?
yeah, excited.
Did you see my new video? And when I saw this, I got shocked, and then I recently posted the video and I said that, bro. Cause it's just bad. Just bad.
And you see, guys, we cannot post
Bad stuff or violence.
Yeah, we can just post play and for kids only, like,
And good things, not bad things, or they will copy us too, right?
yeah, because we're not our moms not we allowed to
We are table.
our moms don't allow to us to watch bad things and post things, so that's why.
And some weird things that you see.
Yeah, like,
Just do not watch it, but when you're a child, please don't watch Skibidi Toilet, please.
because that's bad, and if you are teenager, you can watch it. And I'm not just a teenager because I'm just a grade 6. No, grade 3. Because somebody told me.
She is 8 years old.
Yeah.
Not 9 years old.
Because somebody told me that I look 6th grade. Somebody looked to me 6th grade because look my height.
Okay, wait, can I see how tall are you or something?
Hoy, bawal yan. That's not allowed.
What height are you?
My height is 5.0.
Oh, 5.4. Oh, I am 20 feet, I think.
No.
No, not 20
You know,
feet.
diba sa swimming pool, you go to 3 feet. So you are just 3'4". I think you're just 3'4".
I think my weight is 20.
20 kilos.
Yeah.
And I see my weight, and my weight is 47 kilos.
And
So,
guys, like Lucky Box said, you should love your moms.
and you should love yourself.
Okay,
And you
I have a trick. Name 3 people that you love in 3 seconds. I'll count. 1, 2, 3. Have you not loved yourself? Love yourself.
You guys trick you.
So, let's just start.
Okay, guys, I will
think
have
that
some trick. What?
We're going to draw, right?
Yeah, we're gonna draw here. Go, 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 go. I'll just edit my. Hey, you're on the drawing. Is that
Okay.
yours?
Yeah, it's fine.
You don't even put some.
Yeah, it's okay.
Let's go.
Okay. So,
Cut,
wait.
cut. We're gonna cut. 3, 2, 1.
Bye.
Bye. Hi
Hi,
guys, we're back.
Back.
So this
So-
is our drawing.
Yes, this is our drawing.
And
So we will color it
with
with just a snap.
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we're finished now. So comment down below who is the most
better.
And please subscribe. We're copying.
So,
That's all.
so bye guys. See you in the next video.